Let's convert NFA to DFA. NFA is defined by 5 tuples. So this is a Q. Q is a set of states. 4 states are given. PQRS. Input is given 0, 1. P is the initial state and QS is a set of final state. So this is a given transition table for the NFA. So let's find the equivalent DFA M dash. In this, we are considering all 2 raised to Q states, but here we are not using all 2 raised to Q states. Instead of that, we will add the state if it is required. Otherwise, no need to consider all the states. So as you can see, the transition table is given, and in this transition table, there is a state QR which we need to consider in the transition. So this is a delta dash for resultant DFA. So in resultant DFA, we will start with the QR state first. And here the entries are transition on input symbol 0 and on input symbol 1. It is we have find out here by using the union of Q on 0 and R on 0. So you can see if you take the union of this two, it is RS, and if you take the union of this two, it is a PQR. And since R is a final state in the NF, this Q is a final state in the NFA, so we can mark this as also final state because Q is a part of this. Similarly, now after adding this new transition, you will find RS and PQR. These new states are added. So let's find out the transition on this new state. So as you can see, RS, we are finding the transition on RS. It gives the state S and P, which is already there. When we find the transition on PQR, you will get the next state as QRS and PQR. So PQR is already considered. So again, we are getting one new state, which is QRS. So here we are finding the transition on QRS, which is RS and PQR. So let's apply the DFA minimization first. We know the DFA minimization, we consider few rules. We can remove the unreachable states, we can remove the dead states, and even we can replace one state by another if they are equivalent. So as you can see in this, the state R, state R, and next is RS. These two states are equivalent because it goes on the same transition on input symbol 0 and on input symbol 1, which is SP, right? But you cannot replace even they are equivalent because R is a non-final state and RS is a final state. So this cannot be happen. Second equivalent state you can find here, QR and QRS. If you look at QR and second state is QRS, you will find the same transition. It goes to the same state on input symbol 0 and 1. So we can call this two state are equivalent, and we can remove one of the state from this by replacing it. So what we have done, we replace the QRS by state QR. So resultant table is given here. So here QRS is replaced by QR. So we can remove this complete entry from the table, and wherever you find out the QRS, replace that QRS with QR. So you, as you can find in PQR, there is a state QRS. So this state is replaced with the QR in the modified table. So this is a delta dash, and you can find delta dash is having now only the 7 states, and we are not considering all 2 raised to q means 16 states. We are not considering, we have used direct method. So here we consider only those states which is the part of the transition table. Okay, so finally we have this transition graph based on this, and this is the equivalent to the given NFA. As you can see, the strings accepted by NFA, same strings are accepted by this resultant DFA.